Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Safari on your iPhone. If Safari isn't working properly, follow these steps and without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. And from there, simply scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. And in this section, simply scroll down until you find the Safari, and once you have located that, simply tap on it. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced. And if websites aren't loading correctly, it's likely because block all cookies option is enabled. This can cause the website to malfunction or appear distorted. So just turn it off if it is on. Now next, tap on website data. If there is any stored data here, simply tap on edit at the top right and clear it all out. This will help to refresh Safari and remove any glitches from there. After that, let's check your screen time restriction. Now to do that, simply go back to your settings and scroll to find the screen time. And once you have found that, simply tap on it. And under the screen time, tap Content and Privacy Restriction. And in this section, simply tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games. Here, make sure that Safari isn't restricted. If the web content is set to only approved websites or limit adult websites, change it to unrestricted access to allow full browsing on Safari. Now go back to Allowed Apps and make sure Safari is turned on. If it is off, Safari will disappear from your home screen and you won't be able to open it. And if you don't need this restriction, you can simply turn them off completely. So just keep in mind, if your phone has a passcode set by a parent, you will need to enter it to make the changes. Now everything has been said, so now simply go ahead and open the Safari and you should be able to visit website like YouTube, Google or anything else without any issue. And that's how you unblock Safari on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.